In a world chasing speed and scale, one industry is quietly spinning stories of skill, sustainability, and self-reliance. This is India's handloom sector. Not just cloth, a culture, a legacy. Every thread tells a story. India's handloom industry isn't just one of the oldest in the world. It's one of the most alive. Even as machines rise, handlooms endure and thrive. This is India's largest self-organized economy, with 28.20 lakh looms and over 35.22 lakh artisans, 28% men, 72% women. Empowered, self-reliant, entrepreneurial. Behind every weave lies an entire value chain. Yarn spinners, dyers, hand embroiderers, powered by rural hands. Second only to agriculture in rural employment, Indian handloom stands for low capital, high skill, low power, high impact. Support is no longer just a promise. It's turning into action. Real change is unfolding on the ground. From the Raw Material Supply Scheme, RMSS, ensuring quality yarn at subsidized rates, to the National Handloom Development Program, NHDC, focused on weavers' welfare. The Ministry of Textiles is writing a new chapter in India's handloom economy. Handloom has gone digital. From small town to global marketplace, GI tags are more than protection. They're a promise of authenticity. They boost global value, open new trade doors, and bring recognition to the hands that weave. And now it's global. Handloom products are exported to over 20 countries. Home textiles alone account for 60% of exports. In 2024, handloom exports stood at 1,146 crore rupees or 138.45 million US dollars. What's driving this boom? The world is choosing ethical, clean and sustainable products. Handloom delivers on all three naturally. Machines can produce, but only hands can create. And when they do, the world listens, learns and buys. That's the power of Indian handloom.